Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn off camera sounds on this device. So first you should launch the camera application, and now I'll take a picture, and as can you hear, we got the camera sound when I'm just taking a picture. And just to turn off the sound, you should go to the burger menu on the right upper corner and tap to the settings, and here scroll just a little bit down, and here we got in the general settings section the shutter sound switcher that's just turned on. And if you wanna just turn it off, tap here once on the switcher, and now we'll go back and we'll check. Yes, can you see when I'm taking a picture, I can't hear anymore the shutter sound. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.